How to make money on people per hour as a wedding photographer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, People Per Hour is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills. So for example, if you are a wedding photographer and a visitor comes to this platform looking for a wedding photographer, he will go to the search and click on search freelancers and click on search freelancers here, choose wedding photographer, then click on search, and here he's going to see all of the wedding photographers, all of the available wedding photographers in the platform. So if you create your own profile in here, you're going to be just like those ones. There is a problem in here. I think it's called wedding photography. So here if you create your profile, you're going to find your profile somewhere between those freelancers profiles. So all of those are wedding photographers. As you can see, we have here all of the weddings that they photographed. So I'm going to show you in this video how to make your own profile to join these people. So let's go back to the first page to show you how you can create your profile. Click on the freelancer button in your top right. And here make sure to choose I want to work as a freelancer, then click on sign up with email, and here you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email and password. Then you click on sign up. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account, so here I'm going to enter my email and my password as well. And as you can see in here, you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here, let's apply now. And as you can see, complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here, start with dropping your profile picture, then you proceed to add in your job title, for example, award-winning web developer, or we can just go with wedding photographer or wedding photography. That's it. Then you proceed to your skills, and the maximum amount of skills that you can enter is 15. So make sure to use these spots wisely. So here, let's start by typing wedding first, wedding photography, and wedding videography. And also that's all what we have in wedding. Then let's go with photography, product photography, digital portrait, fashion, travel, event photography, and here we have photography writing, landscape photography, commercial. You can do commercial photography as well. If you can do wedding photography, you can do any type of photography also. So let's go with fashion photography. We can go with travel photography. Food photography, property photography. So make sure to choose or to select all of the skills that you're good at. in order to not miss any clients. Let's go with landscape photography, and that's enough. Then you proceed to the description. So here you describe yourself to buyers. And guys, in order to make a decent description for your profile, I advise you to go to the search and go again and search for your competitors. See how are they talking about their skills, check their description. So here I'm going to show you how you can do that. It's selected within photography. Click on the search, and here click on all offers, and then we're going to check one, two or three descriptions. Again, it's not photography. I don't know what's wrong. Let's go back. Something is wrong with the platform, and that's no problem. So here we can check this one's description. Shoot your London within 2 hours, $315. So let's check his description. His name is Elias, and this is his description. This is a very good description. It's short and brief. Hi, I'm a freelance photographer specializing in people photography, from shooting a couple to headshots to event photography, birthdays, parties, anniversaries, weddings, etc. Although I'm based in London, I am willing and able to travel. I have won several prominent photography awards. Most notably, I was the Instagrammer in residence for a FTSE 100 company. So this is a very good description, and he's getting some sales, 2 sales for now. And this is his offers. So this is a good description, but we can check another one's description: photography wedding ceremony. Or we can just settle for that one as an inspiration for us. After that, we're going to our profile. Click on the profile here and click on edit, and here you will be able to drop your description, location, the industry of expertise, and your hourly rate as well. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.